Hi guys, it's Bavit from Mac Gas. Today we're going to go look at a 300 kilowatt plant room we did in 2019 in Harlow. Let's go check it out. Hi guys, it's Bavit from Mac Gas. So this is the 300 kilowatt plant room that we installed in 2019. So we've got 250 kilowatts of boilers each. Then we've got the Ideal header kit and the pump sets. So we've chosen a plate heat exchanger for this system as we were piping onto a school. All the pipework is cast iron and extremely dirty and full of sludge. And to protect the boilers, we've fitted a plate heat exchanger which separates the dirty system side to our new boiler side. Because it's a seal system on both sides, we've got a pressure gauge for the boiler side and a filling loop for the boiler side. Just to fill up the pressure on the boiler side. Then on the boiler side we've got pressure gauges and temperature gauges, and then we've got temperature and pressure gauges on the system side as well. We've also put a Y strainer in to protect the plate heat exchanger, and a Air Dirt Separator to protect the plate heat exchanger as well. This system has 3 different zones, so we've got 3 sets of twin head pumps, Grundfos pumps, because each side of the school is separated. Then we've got a cascade flue, which cascades both of the boilers' flues together and goes out and terminates above the roof level. And to keep the system flowing nice and smooth, we've got a dosing pot to add inhibitors and chemicals when we flush the system, or add inhibitors when we've drained the system down, which lubricates all the joints and mechanical moving parts in the boilers and the system side. And also with the pressurisation unit, we have interlocked this as well, so if there's ever a pressure drop or there's no pressure in the system, it will cut it out as a safety device. Moving over to the unvented cylinder, this is a tank-in-tank system, which means there's a pocket of water on the outside, which is the primary heating side. And then we've got internal vessel, which is the fresh incoming cold water. The external cylinder basically heats up the internal cylinder and gives you hot water, which is blended and going off to your outlets. Then we've got a blending valve to make sure we've got the right amount of blend and temperatures going through the primary circuit, and we've got a circulation pump. So guys, we've also installed this trend controller which controls the whole plant room, the gas interlock, any hot water settings, heating settings. We can also remotely control and monitor what's going on the system from our offices. So if there is ever a fault, we can monitor the fault and look at which type of fault it is and send the right type of engineer. To comply with regulations, we've installed a gas interlock system. So this is a stop button. In case of any fire or emergency, anyone can shut this button off and it will shut the gas to the plant room. And with this interlock, the way it works is it's interlocked with the gas solenoid, so you will be able to shut the gas off with the stop button or by the BMS panel. And then we've got thermal links above the boilers, which are basically cutouts. If the temperature gets above 100 degrees, it will burn the thermal link inside and cut the gas out.
I'm the Director of Latin Green Services Limited. In 2019, I contacted Mac Gas for a project to undertake the replacement of boilers in 3 plant rooms across 2 schools. And Mac was well aware that time was a factor due to children having to be returned to school. Mac Gas and his team carried out his works efficiently and on time, and 2 years down the line there's been no problem whatsoever and everything is working fine for both schools. I'd highly recommend using Mac Gas for ourselves in the future, or anyone else that wants to use their services.